The life of the honeybee.
Honeybees are social insects. They work together as a community. Honeybees live in colonies. Here they live in beehives. You can see 7 hives. There are not many bees today because it was a cool day. In one of these hives there are living 50,000 to 70,000 bees, with just one queen bee. If you watch closely, you can see worker bees, which stand guard at the entrance of the hive, keeping out bees from other hives.
Then the beekeeper shows us an open beehive. Here you can see how the bees work. In the beehive there live 3 types of bees: worker bees, drones and the queen. The queen bee is larger than the worker bees. In a hive lives only one queen bee. The queen bee lays about 500 to 3,000 eggs each day. The queen lives between 3 to 5 years.
The larvae eat a lot. The worker bees feed them with pollen mixed with honey. The larvae are ready to turn into pupae. On a day 9, the worker bees close off the cell with wax.
Inside the larvae pupate and metamorphosed into bees in about 12 days. They do not need anything to eat. After the pupae have transformed at day 20 in adult bees, they crawl out of the cell and start working. Most of the bees in a beehive are worker bees. The worker bees are all female, but they almost never lay eggs. Worker bees do all the work in a hive. The summer bee lives only about 35 days. The winter bee lives from November to April of the next year. When the bee goes from the bottom to the top of the hive, it means that the flowers are in the direction of the sun. When the bee goes from the top to the bottom, it means that the flowers are in the direction that goes away from the sun. The bee can move in all angles so the other bees know where the flowers are. Only a few drones live in each hive. They are male bees. Their only job is to fertilize the queen. We have learned a lot about the life of bees. Bees are very important for the ecosystem and they are very interesting insects. Thank you for your attention.